What's going on, Tony Runners? It's your boy Tony TV, and I'm back with another video. Look, guys, I am so happy to let y'all know we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Yes, we 1,000 subscribers. Thank y'all so much, man. We are almost there. Now we just gotta get these watch time hours and all that good stuff. So watch the full video and thank y'all so much. Okay, look, it's literally 3:40 in the morning. Look, 3:45 in the morning. I literally just woke up to come down here to put this pot roast on. Look at this bad boy. Look at this roast. Look, it was $35, but I got it on sale for $16. Butcher Shop beef. This bad boy still got the bones on it, bruh. Look at this. So I want to throw these in the pot roast real quick, as y'all can see. And when I finish doing that, I'm taking myself. I'm going back to sleep because it is too early in the morning to be cooking some pot roast. Alright, guys, we're going to add some chili powder. Not a lot. We're going to mix this bad boy. We're going to mix it all up in 1 second once we get all this seasoning on it, okay? Alright, now we're going to go with some seasoning oil, okay? Normally, I would put it in a frying pan and sear it up. But I'm just doing a little different today because I don't feel like going through all that right now. I'd rather be in my bed sleeping. You know what I mean? Alright, we got that. Alright, now we got some salt, garlic, and herb. Let me show y'all. Look at that steak. Get that in there. Get that seasoning in there. Let's get the other one. Alright, next we're gonna do onion powder, okay? Voila. Alright, now add a little bit more seasoning, okay? Alright, as y'all can see, that's what it looks like. Now, got 2 big old pieces, okay? Let me see how I'm gonna lay this down. I would like to lay it down flat, but we're gonna just do it like this, okay? No, we're gonna get that down there. Alright, now I'm just gonna add the water. Oh yeah, almost forgot the green peppers. Not the green peppers, but the green onions. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna rinse these bad boys off. And we're gonna cut these bad boys up and we're gonna throw them in there with that roast, okay? All right, we're gonna add the green peppers, and we're gonna add some butter, a blob of butter, okay? So that can melt into that beef. If I can get it, I only got one hand. Come on, here we go. I got it. All right, get that butter. And all right, butter. There we go, guys. Now we're gonna throw this bad boy in there so we can get to cooking and I can take my black tail to bed. On low. Ready to go. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright, I'm back, guys. It's literally the next day. I've been cooking these this food, y'all know what I'm cooking, for 17 hours, literally for 17 hours. Check it out. Look how good this look. Look at that. Let me get my trusted fork. Look how tender that is. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all know that look good, bro. It's literally falling apart. Look. Yeah, that's what I do, bruh. Look at that. I'm gonna add the potatoes in now. Hopefully they'll be done. I wanted to boil them, but somebody told me no. So no. They didn't recommend that I do that. So
I recommended he put it in to begin with.
I agree, but if this is not ready, it's on her.
Talk about what you recommend.
So hopefully these potatoes are done soon.
They will.
And I'll show y'all in a little bit how the outcome is.
Get that about 45 minutes.
She said it takes 45 minutes, but I say it's gonna take longer. So you'll see. Alright, y'all, I'm finally done cooking. As you can see, it came off the bone. Like literally came off the bone, bro. Look at that. The meat just fell off the bone. That's damn near gone. Because everybody like really killing it right now. So here go my plate. I put a little butter on mine. And I put some onions. I go to onions. I put some onions in there. And tomatoes. Not tomatoes, but what is that? You know what I'm saying. God damn, I'm slow today. Let me take a bite. Let me take a bite. That's so good. I'm gonna add a little pepper and a little salt though, but besides that, it's really good. Add a little pep. There we go. And that's dinner. That'll be my thumbnail right there. Thumbnail. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'm about to turn this food up. And I'll see y'all tomorrow in another video. I love y'all. Peace. Perfect.